Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. In this project I'm using plants, botanicals, to dye cotton fabric, 100% cotton. Everything is going to be natural. I'm using roses, turmeric, red cabbage, spinach, onion skins, and lots more. And my background is in fashion design, so I'm used to working with textile, different texture, different patterns and colors, and color fastness. So for color fastness in this project, I make two batches. One I use vinegar as a fixative, and the other one I use alum. This should not be confused with the man-made aluminum. This is not synthetic. What I'm using is natural. It's a mineral. So do not confuse those. And alum can be found in baked goods, in some deodorant, some toothpaste, in some water. So it's quite safe. I had one huge surprise and one big disappointment, but I enjoyed this project. I had so much fun. I hope you have fun watching it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and share on my videos, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. I'm using 2 yards of 100% cotton muslin. The total weight is 8 ounces. I cut the fabric into 8 pieces. I hand rinse the fabric and squeezed the excess water out. Make 8 small bundles of 100% white Mercer cotton yarn. Tie them loosely. Making the fixative: 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts water. Bring to a boil and simmer for 1 hour. Let the fabric sit in the liquid for 2 to 4 hours. Simmer for 1 hour. Strain the liquid. Put the liquid back in the pot with the fabric and simmer for another hour. Place the fabric and the liquid in a smaller container, maybe like a jar, and let sit overnight. Simmer for 1 hour. Strain the liquid. Put the liquid back in the pot with the fabric and simmer for another hour. Then remove from heat. Place the fabric and the liquid in a smaller container, maybe like a jar, and let sit overnight. simmer for 1 hour. Strain the liquid. Put the liquid back in the pot with the fabric and simmer for another hour. Then remove from heat. Place the fabric and the liquid in a smaller container, maybe like a jar, and let sit overnight. For all the colors, you will simmer for 1 hour, strain, put the liquid and the fabric back in the pot, simmer for another hour, put in a smaller container, and leave to stand overnight. Green. I'm using an alum fixative with this batch. So this time I have 4 white linen napkins. I have the same cotton muslin and I have the cotton bundles, but this time I'm using one pouch. I'm putting all the cotton bundles in one pouch. The ratio for the amount of alum is divide the weight of your fabric by 4 and the result is the amount of alum you need. So if your fabric weighs 8 ounces, you divide that by 4, you get 2, so you use 2 ounces of alum. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 1 hour. Let the fabric sit in the liquid for 2 to 4 hours. 1 3/8 ounces of annatto seed powder in 5 cups of water. Bring to a boil and do not strain. Simmer for 1 hour. Strain the liquid. Put the liquid back in the pot with the fabric and simmer for another hour. Then remove from heat. Place the fabric and the liquid in a smaller container, maybe like a jar, and let sit overnight. Just cabbage. So my biggest disappointment was the spinach. I could not get green. I used so much of the spinach and I could not get a green. I think I'll try grass next time for green. My biggest surprise was the onion skin. Oh my goodness, I could not believe the color. It was just as a salmony, peachy color that was soft and just beautiful. So, thanks for watching.